YouTube, welcome back to another video. Eddie Scott, aka Say Less Ed. As you see by the title of the video, I am doing a giveaway for my 22nd birthday. First of all, let's clap it up. Thank you God for more life. Hey, you see the title, doing a giveaway. So let's get right into the instructions for this giveaway. So my 22nd birthday is coming up on April 15th, right? Also, you guys know that I've been promoting my latest ebook, How to Start Your 100K Clothing Brand. So I really want to do something big for you guys. So listen up. For my 22nd birthday, I want to give one of you guys $2,200. Yes, $2,200 to either invest in your brand or do whatever you will with the money. But I will be giving away $2,200 when you enter this giveaway. So here are the instructions for the giveaway. First, we gotta do the basic stuff to push this video out to the algorithm, get as many people to see it as possible. So like this video, leave a comment of the name of your clothing brand and what your brand is all about. Be sure to share the video with at least one person. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel, and then you're going to want to head down to the description and click the first link in the description. It is the link to my ebook, How to Start Your 100K Clothing Brand. Everything that myself and my business partner Say Less Trent have learned in growing our clothing brand to the six-figure mark is in that ebook. So click that first link in the description, get you a copy of that ebook. It's on sale right now for only $22 for my 22nd birthday. So grab a copy of that ebook. Once you complete checkout, you will be given your confirmation receipt, and that is your ticket for this giveaway. Now, it is currently April 3rd at the recording of this video. When my birthday comes on April 15th, I will be contacting one of you guys who won the giveaway, either via email or phone number, whichever contact info you leave in your purchase of the ebook. And that's it. You know, it's a pretty simple giveaway. I just want this to be, you know, a really big blessing to somebody. Not only with the ebook, you know, the ebook has so many gems. Just by reading that ebook, that will transform the trajectory of your business, of your clothing brand. And also, if you win the $2,200, I really hope that that is something that, you know, you can invest in yourself, invest in your brand, really take your brand to that next level. So with that being said, I'm out of here. Be sure to do all those 4 steps: like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and then grab your copy of the ebook, and then you'll be automatically entered into this giveaway. I appreciate every single one of you guys. The growth of this channel has been tremendous so far. I'm so excited to see the future. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hey, be sure to stay tuned on this YouTube channel along with my Instagram at Say Less Ed. I'll be keeping you guys updated with the status of this giveaway. But hey, I'm out of here. We got work to do. Let's be great. Let's go.